traveling at an initial speed of 20 meters per second when the driver notices an obstacle 70 meters ahead. The driver immediately applies the brakes, causing the car to decelerate uniformly at a rate of 4 meters per second. Will the car stop before reaching the obstacle? If yes, by how many meters? If no, by how many meters will the car pass the obstacle? So the first thing we do is we draw a diagram of what's happening. So first let's draw the car. I'll represent it by this box over here. And we'll draw an arrow to indicate it's traveling in this direction, 20 meters per second. Next, let's draw the obstacle, again represented by this box over here. And now the distance from the car to the box over here, this distance is 70 meters. So what do we know? We know the initial velocity, u, which is equal to 20 meters per second. We also know the final velocity, which is when the car comes to a stop. This will obviously be 0 meters per second. Yep. We know the deceleration, a, which is equal to negative 1 meters per second. And is that it? Well, the 70 meters here isn't our stopping distance. It's what we want to achieve. So we're required to find the stopping distance. So now, which of Newton's equations do you think we should use to solve this question? Well, v squared equals u squared plus 2as. Because in this case we only need to find one variable, which is s, our stopping distance when we decelerate at 4 meters per second. Now let's make s the subject of the formula. So this will become v squared minus u squared is equal to 2as. And now making s the subject of the formula, s is equal to v squared minus u squared over 2a. Now from here, we sub in our values, but remember that v is actually 0. So because of that, we can simply ignore the v squared and have our equation as negative u squared over 2a. So here we sub in our variables, minus 20 squared over 2, and a is negative 4, don't forget the negative, and this is equal to negative 400 over negative 8, negatives cancel out, 8 and 50, and we get 50 meters. Therefore, since 50 is less than 70, our car will stop before the 70 meter mark and we will avoid hitting the obstacle. And 70 minus 50 is equal to 20, and we will have 20 meters remaining. And there you have it, we've solved our question. Thanks for watching, I hope you learned something, and that's it for now.